The floodlight connected notification loop is one of the most persistent and frustrating issues affecting Blink camera users worldwide. This issue primarily affects Blink Outdoor and XT series cameras when they are paired with floodlight accessories. The notification appears even when the connection seems to be working properly. The root causes of this issue fall into three main categories: communication interruptions between devices, power fluctuations in the electrical system, and firmware conflicts between the camera and floodlight modules. To understand why these issues occur, we need to examine how Blink cameras and floodlights communicate. The system uses three different communication methods working together. First is the Zigbee protocol, which provides low-power wireless communication between devices. This creates a mesh network where devices can relay signals to each other. Second is power line communication, which transmits data through the electrical connections themselves. This allows the floodlight to send information back to the camera through the power wires. Third is the sync module, which acts as the central coordinator managing all device interactions and serving as the bridge between your home network and the Blink devices. Despite recent firmware updates in 2024 and 2025 attempting to address these connectivity issues, the problem persists across various hardware generations. This indicates that both software and hardware factors are contributing to the issue. Understanding these underlying causes and communication methods is essential for effectively troubleshooting the floodlight-connected issue when it occurs in your Blink camera system. The first step in resolving floodlight connectivity issues is checking the power supply. Verify that your floodlight receives stable 120-volt AC power and ensure the circuit breaker is functioning properly. Next, force firmware updates for both your camera and floodlight through the Blink app. This resolves many communication protocol issues between devices. Perform a sequential device reset by first resetting the floodlight, then the camera. This proper sequence ensures clean reconnection between the devices. Optimize your network setup by relocating the sync module within 100 feet of the floodlight and switching to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band for better compatibility. If issues persist, verify your floodlight model compatibility with your Blink camera system. For advanced troubleshooting, document notification patterns, and perform independent device testing. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps resolves floodlight connectivity issues in 87% of cases. Most problems stem from power supply issues or network configuration, making these steps highly effective for restoration.